Let's talk about the recently launched Realme smartphone Realme 11 5G with Glory Halo design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.72-inch Full HD Plus punch hole display, with resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 91.40% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 392 ppi pixel density, 680 nits brightness, and with 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel 3x zoom main wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel wide-angle camera will also be located in punch hole, video recording 1080p at 30 fps, and 720p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 4.0 screen on top. The device, under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76, plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB extended dynamic RAM, and 128GB, or 256GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2TB dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76 by 8.05 mm and it weighs around 190 grams. And the color options: Glory Gold, Glory Black, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with SuperVOOC 67-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port, and NFC. Market or region dependent. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme 11 5G has been expected price in Pakistan for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 67,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 73,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Realme 11 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.